Here's a package you'll want to grab right away if you do any kind of web development. It's called ColorPicker. Once it's installed, open up a CSS file. I'll open my main.css. And whenever you need a color value, hit Shift-Command-C or Control-Shift-C on Windows to bring up your system color picker. I can pick a bright red, and there you go. I've got the color code inserted straight into my file. Packages don't come much simpler than this, but I think you'll agree this is an essential feature for any web developer to have in their editor. If you're feeling adventurous, also check out the GutterColor package, which adds these nifty little color swatches to the gutter of your editor. It's a bit tricky to install as it requires you to install a command line tool called ImageMagick for it to work, which is not for the faint of heart. But if you're used to that sort of thing and you work with color codes a lot, it might be worth the hassle for you. There's a pointer to a blog post with complete instructions in the README file for GutterColor, and that's a good place to start.